It's the most hyped electric vehicle debut of this decade. It has as many as 1 million reservations, if not more, and it must be a game changer in the automotive world. Previously, Elon Musk finally announced during a Tesla earnings call dedicated to the third quarter financial results that the Cybertruck delivery event will take place on November 30th at Giga Texas, 4 years ahead of the day when the original Cybertruck show car debuted in 2019. And since there are 3 weeks left until the event, the editors of Inside EVs were curious to find out if Cybertruck reservation holders have received any updates from Tesla regarding the specifications, configurations, and prices a month before the initial delivery start. After reaching out to buyers with an open call, they were shocked. None of those who reserved the Cybertruck have any idea about what they are presumably going to get anytime soon. Neither its price, nor its final specifications, nor even its electric range. It's been a month since at least some of these trucks will be in the hands of customers, and they remain a complete mystery. In total, the team received dozens of emails, and here are some of them. I'm a massive Elon fan and believe in all the work he does, but the lack of information and secrecy on this truck has been a frustrating one, to say the least. Michael reserved a Cybertruck 1 hour after Musk opened pre-orders in 2019. I was one of the first to reserve the day of opening. I have no update from Tesla at all. Rachel: I'm an early reservation holder for the Cybertruck, but I haven't been given any information as of yet. My reservation was made minutes after Musk announced the site to order the truck. James: this is a very irresponsible move towards his customers, considering that if you order a Cybertruck after November 30, when all the specifications will be known, you will have to wait from 3 to 6 years to receive it, and the first spots in the receiving queue are currently being sold on eBay for between $5,000 and $10,000. It seems that you either have to get a pig in a poke or be patient for years. To understand why this happened, let's look at the timeline of events. When Tesla unveiled the trapezoidal truck during a high-profile event at the end of 2019, it announced a starting price of just $39,900 and two models with higher specifications priced at $49,900 and $59,900. It was reported that Cybertrucks would have 1 to 3 engines, a range of 250 to 500 miles, and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration times ranging from 2.9 seconds to 6.5 seconds. Then, at the end of 2021, most of these numbers, including all the pricing information, disappeared from Tesla's website. Apart from a few remaining details and rare cryptic tweets from Musk, there isn't much information available to inform Cybertruck buyers about what they're getting into. Some Tesla fans are losing patience and pressuring Musk on Twitter, hoping he will finally reveal some details. Experts are shrugging. William Houston, a managing director at an investment firm in the San Francisco area, expressed hope that Cybertruck will be big and will cost around the initially announced $40,000. This may be a tough task for Tesla because of rising material costs in recent years, and the price war in the electric vehicle market, initiated by Musk, has led to escalating electric vehicle prices. For example, the Ford F-150 Lightning was initially positioned as an affordable electric pickup with a starting price of around $40,000, but now it costs $52,000 and more. Startup Rivian raised the price of its 4-motor R1T pickup from $67,500 to $79,500 last year. All Musk has said is that it will be quote-unquote difficult to make the cost affordable because it's a new car with a new production method. Tesla can't just enter the competitive US pickup truck market with its Cybertruck and expect to easily take market share from established brands like Ford, Chevrolet, Ram, and Toyota, which constantly outdo each other in all aspects. They have loyal customers who are unlikely to switch brands, let alone try a completely new player in this area with an electric vehicle that looks like no other pickup on the planet, said Sam Fiorani, Vice President of Global Vehicle Forecasting and Auto Forecast Solutions. In conclusion, only a small number of vehicles will likely be delivered at the event on November 30. The same happened at previous Tesla events for the Model Y in Berlin and Austin in 2022, where mainly Tesla insiders received their vehicles. However, this is not an excuse for Tesla to keep reservation holders in the dark about a product they pre-ordered back in 2019, paying a $100 deposit. This amounts to more than $100 million in Tesla's coffers, considering over 1 million reservation holders. We are interested in hearing your thoughts on this. Do you think Tesla will finally publish these specifications, configurations, and prices a month before the initial delivery start, unless the event is postponed again?